Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is basically going to be just a straightforward short video, and I'm just going to be telling you the top 3 reasons why you're probably not losing weight or even gaining weight while being on a diet. Believe it or not, this happens to some people, and there are so many reasons why this could be happening. These 3 reasons, it's very likely that if you look into your habits, it's very likely that you are doing one of these 3 things. So let's just go right into it. So the first thing you're probably doing wrong is that you are eating uncontrolled amounts of healthy foods. And when I say uncontrolled amounts of healthy foods, I don't mean things like vegetables and stuff. I mean things like maybe your oils. You know, we hear things like, oh, don't take vegetable oils, take things like olive oils and coconut oils, but then you forget that oils are still really calorie dense. Like, they are still very, very dense in calories. A tablespoon of coconut oil is 120 calories, same as the unhealthy vegetable oils. And unfortunately, our bodies recognize the calories over like the food groups. So yeah, all these things are calorie dense. Things like your avocados, your bananas, your peanut butters, your almond butters, nuts, seeds. Of course, they are so healthy, they are so good to the body, they help the body, they help the heart, they do a lot of things for the body, they give us nutrients, but we still need to be careful, especially when we're trying to lose weight and we're trying to stay in a calorie deficit. So if you want to have like a 500 calorie breakfast, imagine having already taken like 2 tablespoons of oil. Like 2 tablespoons of oil, that's like over like about half of your breakfast already, and like what are you going to have with that? So you really do have to be careful. So that's why it's always very good, I always say this, to measure your foods. Get yourself the tablespoons, the measuring spoons, the measuring cups, you know, just to know, like have an idea of what you're taking into your body, and that way you can remain in a calorie deficit. Okay, so the second reason why you're most likely gaining weight on a healthy diet, or even just not losing weight at all, is that if you know, think about it, if you squint, if you think about it, you know, if you squint a little bit, you realize that you're probably nibbling off people's, you know, people's plates, you know. This happens. Who is guilty? Who in this room is guilty of this? I am guilty. A situation whereby we nibble off maybe people's plate. You know, maybe if you're married, you see what your husband is eating, you be like, oh, let me taste out of this. You know what your children are eating, you know what your friend is eating, what your colleague is eating. Like, you have your healthy meals, you packed them, like you have it and you're eating that, and you're probably not counting the extra rubbish, I'm going to say rubbish, that you're eating from other people. And honestly, this can really add up, and then of course this is going to set you back, especially when you're on a calorie deficit and you just want to stay on a calorie deficit. You know, when you're nibbling off people's plates, you need to count, guys. You need to keep notes, you need to keep record. Like, sometimes when I eat off people's plates, I just mentally decide not to count it. I just only count what I prepared for myself. But honestly, I'm just deceiving myself. Of course, we are just deceiving ourselves, so we really do need to be careful about that. So the third reason why you're most likely not losing any weight right now, and you might even be gaining weight, is because you are drinking your calories. And I'm not even talking about drinking juice. You know, some of us are even able to stay away from juice, away from sodas, but my girls and guys, you know yourselves, when you go out during the weekends with your friends, you know, you take those bottles, not just those bottles, you know, nice Long Island drink or the pina colada, you know, those nice drinks that the bartender really makes up for you. And we do not know that, but these drinks, a lot of these drinks are actually really high in calories, and you might actually find yourself drinking like 500 calories just in one sitting, if not even more. And that, you know, like, drinks are not filling, so you're still going to have your breakfast, lunch, dinner. So yeah, calories, remember I said that the body recognizes calories over the kind of food you're taking, over what you're taking. All the body cares about are just calories. So you just have to be careful, really careful. So sometimes you wouldn't take any drink or anything on the weekday, but when that weekend comes, you know yourself, you know what you do. So you really do have to be careful about that. So yes guys, quick and short, these are most likely the top 3 reasons why you are not losing weight. Like I said, there are so many other reasons, but I just wanted to just give you guys my top 3 reasons. And I hope this helps you, you know, this sheds some light into like your habits and everything. I might cover more on this topic later on, but for now I'm just going to help some of you guys who have this question in your head why you're not losing weight. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to, you know, like this video, give me a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click that notification bell so you get a notification every single time I post a new video. Leave a comment for me down below, say something sweet please, and follow me on social media. I'm the Makeup Mind everywhere. I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye. I do it so low.